Well, hello everybody. I am back here again in the same hotel room in the same city, which is of course Montreal, Quebec, here with some more Kinder Surprise eggs. And we've got 2 3-packs of the same NBA themed eggs. So yeah, we're gonna unbox them. If you tuned in last time to my Instagram, you saw that I got the mascot from the Milwaukee Bucks, and I forgot the name of it, but it'll probably be inserted into the caption. So yeah, let's open up the boxes. All right, we shall begin. And with the 3-packs here in Canada, when they're labeled, they're guaranteed to have a NBA surprise toy. For those of you who don't know, this is the chocolate. One of the trademarks of the Kinder chocolate is this milky white lining. Unfortunately, I can't eat it because of dietary restrictions. Who is this? It's a dragon of sorts. And another thing that I just learned from yesterday is you can actually take your figurines and you can, if you want, you can clip them together like this. Or something. Don't think these were really well designed. Egg number 2. Well, that was almost a perfect break. Who's this? It's an insectoid of sorts. Oh, it's the Charlotte Hornets. It is going to tick me off if I don't know the name of the mascot. But yeah, 4 eggs to go. Oh, who is this? It's a little orange guy. It's the Miami Heat. I don't really know much about basketball, so I'm terribly sorry, basketball fans who are watching. I never was really into sports. $76 to go. And our first duplicate, and it does have little stickers. This is the Charlotte Hornet once again, last egg. I kind of hope it's the Celtics because I am from New England, but if not, that's fine too. Moment of truth. You guys ready? And it's a 3rd Hornet. What are the odds? 3 of the same surprise toy in one unboxing. I guess there's only one thing left to do. I'll latch them together and then I will sign off. Thank you for watching.